Hey guys, I'm Ronnie, and today we're back with the benchmarking episode of our video editing and gaming PC build, which is right down there. Okay, moving back. We will be using core temp to to indicate our temperatures on each core, and we'll be using Cinebench 3D Mark and Crystal this mark relatively. So yeah, let's do it. So we are going to be using Cinebench R15 to do the OpenGL test right now, and well, okay, let's take a look at GPU temperatures. So this is playing using GPU OpenGL, so let's take a look at that. As you can see, we're using GPU Z from Tech Power Up, and we are getting 41 degrees, even on these benchmarks like these. So yeah, playing smoothly. So the brown thing, the highlighted benchmark score is actually my last benchmarking score, and see if we can break that record. Okay, so we are getting 60 frames per second, which is about 5 frames per second slower than my last benchmark. So now let's do the CPU benchmark. So we are running at 50 something degrees, as you can see. 52, highest temperature is 52, 50, 52, all that kind of stuff, and as you can see, the load is 100% right now. Oh yeah, that's done. So we're getting 1016 CV, which is 46 marks less than my last benchmark that I did a few days ago. So now let's jump into Crystal this mark. So first let's test our SSD from Intel. This is a 240GB SSD. So yeah. So guys, the benchmark's finished on our SSD. So as you can see, we're getting okay sequential reads of 462 megabytes per second, a very disappointing sequential writes of 226.6 megabytes per second, and here's where the SSD actually pay off. The random 512 kilobytes, it actually achieved 403 megabytes per second reads, and again, disappointing writes of random 512 kilobytes of 224 megabytes per second, about. So now let's test our RAID 0 array. So as you can see, that's done. So now we're gonna do a real-time test. So guys, we're back with benchmarking of the this week test. We're copying a file from a RAID 0 array. So this is 25.2 gigabytes. So copy it to our SSD. So see how long it would take. We're getting about 300 and so gigabytes sustained. Oh no! What the hell? I don't really know why that is stupid enough. Oh, so finally we're done on extremely stupid stuff. So yeah, that took more than about 3 minutes. And now we're gonna copy this back to our RAID 0 array, which is on a different folder. that's okay. We're getting about 390 something megabytes per second, now 400, which is way better than our SSD. I think our SSD is gonna be exchanged because it's performing very, very terrible. Oh, and we're done. That's 25.2 gigabytes are done really quickly. Haha. That's cool. So yeah, and our second last benchmark is 3D Mark, followed by IDA 64. 3D Mark is starting, as you can see. We're going to be running a Fire Strike. Yeah. So this is run it right now. Remember, I'm having the 5930K, not the 5960X, because 3D Mark often get this wrong. So as you can see, we have got 9,921 3D Mark scores. So that's pretty much it for the benchmark, except we still have the IDA 64. So 3D Mark, actually, I told you already, made a mistake of telling me that this PC is running 5960X, which actually we're running a 5930K. So this is okay. So at last, as you can see, the GPU temperature and CPU temperature goes just right about 50 degrees. Yeah, you know, we can see the details here. So here we go. Okay, fine. I have no idea why. No, actually, well, that's cool. The GPU actually peaks at about 70 degrees, and the CPU temperature peaks at about 50 something. Yeah, 50 something, which is cool. Kind of cool. So let's run our IDA 64 benchmark now. Hey guys, so we're back from 3D Mark IDA 64 system stability test. So as you can see, our CPU is now about 28 degrees lowest and 34 degrees on the highest. So let's start the stress testing right now. Start. Hey guys, we're back after doing the IDA 64 benchmark for about 5 minutes. So our test on maximum, our CPU is getting 57 degrees, so which is not bad. That's okay. So we're gonna overclock. So remember to subscribe to the channel to check out our latest videos, and we'll be uploading a RAM overclock and a CPU overclock guide, which is coming, and you can check out our parts list video on the top right hand corner right now. You can click it right now, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. So we're gonna see you in the next video. Bye.